Right, so friends, I'm just going to take you for a little walk with me, a little chat in the garden, on the lawn. Let's talk about something very serious now. So, we live in a world where perfection is our quest, right? That's where we're heading. But let's be really, really honest with ourselves. As a friend of mine recently said to me, let's be critical of ourselves. The chances are that absolute grass perfection is unattainable. It's unattainable because of one particular reason I'm going to show you. And it's not as it's incredibly obvious. So watch this. If I show you around the boundaries of this property, what do you see? That's a very nice outhouse, by the way. What do you see? You see fences. Now, we're in northwest London, and what that means is on the other side of the fence is a lawn. Yes, my friends, is a garden. And the chances are that garden and that lawn is very different to your lawn. Now, what that means is whatever's over there, or over there, or over there, will come here. Yes, my friends. So let's just say, optimistically, to some extent, this is your lawn. Yes, this is John's lawn. This is a unique environment that's created by what I call the X factor. So a really nice lawn is soil, root zone, health, grass, seed type, but the X factor is what blows in from over the fence or the hedge, and it's unavoidable. So whilst we try and maintain the condition of the lawn and its, let's say, its empirical exactness of grass tape, if you like that, what you've actually got going on here is a lawn that started off with, because this was grown from seed, so this started off with a blend of 6 different seeds from memory, and I'd put money on it now. It's got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, who knows, with all of what's coming in from the neighbourhood. So, dear friends, what we are talking about, and what we are, actually the grass looks greener. Definitely looks greener now, doesn't it, with a cut? That's weird, isn't it? Maybe it's the sun coming out. It's definitely a lack of sun. But what we have to work on, dear friends, as I bring you closer to me for a chat, what we have to work on is basically trying to maintain our lawn's uniqueness. Yes, dear friends, that's what we're working on. Anyway, I'm just going to go and measure the lawn, and then we can wrap up and get on.